Hey, what is up, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own server. Now, servers are awesome because you can interact with friends and all that stuff. Make a free build server, whatever. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to make a server with less lag as possible. Now, first couple things you'll need is terminal. Comes with it, something to write with, stickies, and an internet browser. Now, now, what we need to do first is go in to Minecraft.net/download. Now, if my internet's pretty slow because there's a gigantic thunderstorm outside my house, so bear with me. And there are all other people using the internet at the same time, and that was pretty fast. So, you will download this one for Mac. If you have Windows, you would download this one. But for Windows, I don't really suggest people who have a Windows computer to follow this tutorial. Only people who have Mac. And now wait for this to download. And it should download a lot faster for your computer. My internet's not that perfect. And, yeah. Couple seconds later. Oh yeah, while it's downloading, I want to talk about something real quick. This code right here starts up your server with 1 gig of RAM. These four numbers right here, 1024 is 1 gig of RAM. 2 gigs of RAM is 248. Now that's the. Oh wait, no, I didn't show you. This is my IP that my friends will log into. I'll show you how to get that. This is with 2 gigs of RAM. This makes it almost like free. It's perfect. Now I'll get to that later. Now, first couple steps is going to be running your actual server. Now, as you click and drag that to your desktop, you're going to create a new folder named, what am I going to name this? I'm going to name this MC Minecraft server. Click and drag that in there. And now we want to give access for this to be opened. Now I can open this just by double clicking because I already have one server running. Now you're going to go into terminal, type in cd, click and drag the folder, enter. Now you're inside the server. See, MC server Minecraft Stefano Wafus. This is my name, by the way. You probably already know. You're going to type in the code that was in here on this. I'll put it in the description. And yeah, and then you're going to type, whoops. You're going to type that in and press enter. Once you press enter, since I already have one created, I don't want to mess up this one. It's going to open, and this is what it should show. This, and it should look like this, a super high bar of lag and saying not enough RAM, all that crap. Now, at first when you get this, it's going to say warning, warning, warning. Not this warning, but other warnings, because it didn't know that because these files weren't here, so they created them, and then you won't get that warning message anymore. But do not worry about the warnings. And yeah, and the proper way to shut this down is stop. Now, as of now, you cannot connect to your server. Actually, you can. All you gotta do is type in localhost in your direct connection under the multiplayer bar. You type in localhost to join a server. Glad I opened that up. Okay, so now to make this so that your friends can join, you're gonna go right now into your system preferences. Now, you're gonna go to advanced. TCP/IP. You're gonna memorize or write down this code, and this is the code that you will be typing into your web browser. Now, you're gonna have to bear with me as I have this super slow internet going on, and we're gonna type in that code. So I already did this before, so you're just gonna type it in normally. Pop-up page. Now you're gonna be like, oh my god, I don't know what to do. Normally, if you got these right out of the box, you just type in admin password. Boom. Now you're inside your network thing. I'm using Netgear. You're gonna go to your port forwarding thing. Now, if you're on your on Linksys, you're gonna want to go into gaming/accessing, and yeah, and then you're gonna click add custom service, and oh yeah, add custom service, and I already added one. I'm not gonna add it again. And this, copy down exactly what you see in your ad service. You're gonna type in Minecraft TCP/UDP. Type in the starting port that, and starting port this, ending port this, starting port that, and this is your server IP. Remember that one that I told you to memorize, which is, why do I keep opening that up? That is the IP one. I should really put system preferences in my doc. This one, the IPv4. Now, this is what's going to be here. Now this one is not. This one, don't even use this. This one is the main one that you will be typing in. Now, this last number here changes extremely frequently. Like, by every 2 days it changes, depending, I don't know, depending on what, but yeah, so then you're going to type it in here. Apply. Successfully applied, as you know, and then it should be like that. Alright, so you got that. I'm going to log out right now. Thank you for using Netgear. Now, one thing I was going to mention, oh yeah, server.properties. Now, what you want to do is type in your God dang it, your I'm gonna keep this up. This code in here. I remembered. I just want to show you it. This code inside here, the server IP. Now this is just, it's like that. And when it says fail to bind port, is because this last number changed and you didn't edit it here. I'll check this now. Bleh. All right. So every time when you open up, now it should be connectable for friends, your server. But now every time that you open this up and you see fail to bind port, you will see, oh crap, now my friends can't join, neither can I. When it says fail to bind port, that means you can't join, neither does your friend. Your server doesn't want anyone to join. It's being selfish. So you're gonna go to system, oh my god, system preferences, advanced, TCP, and then this last number should have changed. And then when it changed, you're gonna go to server.properties, change that last number or any number that changed, and go and do the same for your internet browser thing. Now, to start it up with more RAM, because now, as you saw, it is extremely laggy. If 3 people were on this server, like me and two other of my friends, it would have crashed for sure. Look how much is free, 15%. Now, if you type in this code, it's going to be less laggier. It's going to be like 80% lag free, but it's still going to be a little laggy. To make it sort of like 99% lag free, 97% lag free, do not type it in with 1 gig. What you want to do is type in stop hammer time. I'm sorry, and type in this code. I'm going to put this in because this is the best code to use to reduce lag. Now, I'm showing my IP out loud. I'm not going to really change it because I want the server to be public, and if I didn't want you, I could have just banned you, so I'm not really that much of a wuss. So, I'm going to click and sorry. You're going to click terminal, CD, click and drag the server, enter. I'll type in Command V. Now this code should be here. Once you type in CD and click and drag that into here, you're already inside the folder. Now we're gonna want to open up that file for more RAM. You have to do this every time you open up that folder. It's not that big of a big deal. But now look. Now look at the difference. Like, this is ridiculously low. However, if you start out with 3 gigs of RAM, it will be obviously less laggier and so forth. Now, wow, I did that much shorter than my other tutorial take. And so yeah, do not close any of the terminal windows or this Java window. Now, the IP that you want to give to your friend to connect to your server is the IP that you will find is that giant IP over there, that one that was in dark navy blue in here. Now, how do I find this? This is your computer's IP. For a Mac, you want to use a good site called whatismyip.com or any site that gives you your IP. And then you want to give this IP over here to your friend. Then your friend will put that in, and then your friend will put that into add server and type that in. Now, if you want to connect to your server, it's very simple. You're gonna go to multiplayer and type in the IP right here. I changed it to 5 people for my server. I'm going to change it to 10, but more people the laggier. So for your own server, and if your friend's over at your house with his computer, you're gonna want him to type in this server number right here, and then you should join normally and logging in. Boom. So yeah, that's how you make your own server, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe. And what really helped me, I want to give a shout out to this application that I found on the iPod, and this is what helped me. And it's more descriptive what I can explain. It's called Minecraft Multiplayer. Just type that in the App Store search bar. You should get it. It shows you how to make your own multiplayer server for Windows and Mac. Now, that is extremely helpful. I'll put a link in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and peace. Oh, and I will be doing a tour of this server that I'm on for you guys to join. It will be public. We were working on it, but now since I gave you the IP, you're probably all going to come and visit. Not, I don't care. So guys, thank you for watching, and goodbye. Have a great